Inflation is one of the biggest threats to your retirement savings, and without a solid strategy to protect your wealth, it can erode your purchasing power over time. If you're in or near retirement, you need a plan that keeps your savings growing, even when inflation starts to rise. So, why do so many American retirees turn to gold IRAs as a solution? Let's dive into that, and by the end, I'll show you exactly why it could be the best move for your financial future. First off, inflation is a silent killer for retirement savings. Every year, the cost of living rises, and that means the value of your money decreases. If you have a traditional savings account or stocks that aren't positioned for inflation, you're setting yourself up for a loss. When inflation spikes, what you can buy with your savings diminishes. So, what's the best way to fight back? Here's the truth. Traditional assets like cash or even some stocks aren't great at outpacing inflation. Yes, they may provide some growth, but it's often not enough. That's why many retirees are making a move toward assets that have historically stood strong during inflation, like gold. Gold has been a store of value for thousands of years. It tends to rise in value when inflation picks up, making it a perfect hedge for your wealth. If you want to protect your retirement from inflation, then consider how gold IRAs can be your shield. Now, if you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, I highly recommend you check out the free Gold IRA guide in the first link in the description. It's designed specifically for retirees like you to help you understand how gold IRAs work and why thousands of Americans are using them to protect their financial future. Moving on, many people are still uncertain about gold IRAs because they're unfamiliar with how they work. Here's a simple breakdown. A gold IRA is a self-directed retirement account that allows you to hold gold and other precious metals as part of your retirement savings. It's different from the traditional IRA because it focuses on tangible assets rather than just stocks, bonds, or mutual funds. And here's the key. Gold tends to outperform paper assets during inflationary periods, meaning your retirement savings can stay ahead of the curve when inflation hits hard. Some of you may be thinking, what about other options? Sure, there are stocks, bonds, and real estate, but each comes with its own set of risks. Stocks can fluctuate wildly, and bonds, while safer, usually don't offer the same protection from inflation as gold. Real estate is an option, but it requires a significant upfront investment and doesn't always provide the liquidity you need during a market downturn. Gold, however, is liquid, stable, and historically outperforms inflation. If you're wondering whether this applies to you, especially if you have $100,000 or more in your IRA or 401k, or even if you have 5 million pluses in savings, gold IRAs can be the perfect solution. For people with significant assets, protecting your wealth from inflation should be a top priority. Gold can be a reliable way to preserve the value of your nest egg while still allowing you to grow it over time. So, here's the deal. If you're serious about securing your financial future, you need a strategy to protect your retirement from inflation. Gold IRAs offer a straightforward, effective solution to help you do just that. Again, don't wait. Click the first link in the description for your free guide on how to get started with gold IRAs today. At the end of the day, inflation isn't going anywhere. And if you want to ensure that your retirement savings don't lose value, you have to take action. With gold IRAs, you're not just reacting to inflation, you're proactively positioning yourself to win in an uncertain financial future. If you have more than $100,000 in your IRA or 401k, or even 5 million plus in savings, don't wait until it's too late. Take control of your wealth today and make sure inflation doesn't rob you of your hard-earned retirement. If you're serious about protecting your wealth, now's the time. Click that link in the description to learn more, and let's make sure your retirement stays secure no matter what the economy throws your way.